I'm going to be really, really careful. But this is such a fantastic quote from James Wilson. Let me tell you, set up James Wilson for you for a second. There's another name you may not know, but look, this guy signed both the Declaration and the Constitution, one of only 6 guys to do that. So he helped frame it, and he signed both of them. He's actually appointed by George Washington to serve on the United States Supreme Court. So he's one of the original 6 on the United States Supreme Court. He gave us a very clear American explanation of the Castle Doctrine. He said it is the great natural law of self-preservation that cannot be repealed or superseded or suspended by any human institution. The right of the citizens to bear arms in the defense of themselves shall not be questioned. Every man's house is deemed by the law to be his castle, and the law, while it invests him with the power, enjoins on him the duty of the commanding officer. Every man's house is his castle. He ought to keep and defend it at his peril, and if anyone be robbed in it, it shall be esteemed his own default and negligence. You ever heard that before? If you get robbed in your house, whose fault is it? According to James Wilson, very important founding father and major legal scholar, he's saying you get robbed in your house, it's your fault. Why? Because we wouldn't want a police officer to be in every house, right? We don't want one on every street corner. We don't want a police state. So we as individuals not only have the right, but we have the duty to defend ourselves. That's the Castle Doctrine that he's talking about. Didn't just start with America. Some legal scholars would say that goes all the way back to the Old Testament. It was very clear you had the right of self-defense, even in the Levitical law and the way that it's explained and how those things take place. So the Second Amendment is not what gives you the right of self-defense. The laws of nature and nature's God give you the right of self-defense. The Second Amendment prevents the government from infringing on that right and is a reminder to the government that it is their job to protect and defend your right of self-defense. That's